wanted to talk to me, sir? Now, Thomas, this isn't easy for me to tell you, but times are changing. It's hardly efficient to keep aged-down, broken locomotives like yourself from previous centuries. Have I not been doing a good job, sir? Am I really that forgetful? You know what, Thomas? It's fine. I don't think you're forgetful. Forget I say anything. We're preparing a special surprise for you for being such a splendid worker. Really? Yes. Oh, what a wondertastic day. Yes, of course. So, show me the surprise. Alright, and I will. Sir, I hate to pry, but this looks more like a ravenous living tissue than a special surprise. What are you doing? Your surprise is your early retirement and the certificate of the glorious mass. You'll be happier this way. I think we all will. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Man. Hey, whoa, Thomas! Are you okay? What happened? Well, I just had this horrible nightmare of where Sir Tom had just thrown me into the flesh pit in my retirement. For my surprise, it was terrible. Morning, Thomas. What's the matter? Please don't throw me into the ravenous living tissue. What do you mean? He just had a nightmare of where you pushed him into this pit full of ravenous living tissue. Oh, yeah, totally forgot. I would never want to do that to you, Thomas. Oh, well, what do you know?